Okay, I am out here squirrel hunting today. You can see the trees, but shot this squirrel right here, back over here a little ways. It's a nice, kind of young fox squirrel. See, young fox squirrel. Let me get my hat away. My gun is a Browning XS Special 12 gauge with briley, ultralight thin wall tubes or sub gauge tubes. Anyways, see, this is 12 gauge. See, it's 12 gauge. In this little shinier part of the barrel of the breech is the tube. I'm shooting 410. See, there's the ends. My choke, I'm shooting modified in the bottom barrel and light modified in the top barrel. And yeah, I'll get back to you guys if I get any more. Okay, so I got another squirrel. There's another fox squirrel, but here's my first one. Nice young male fox squirrel. And I've got this big female fox squirrel. And it's quite a bit bigger than that other one right here, as you can tell. But I'm gonna call it a day. Thanks for watching.